And hello everyone, welcome back to another Bootstrap tutorial. So in this tutorial we'll be talking about navigation menus. Almost just like normal navigation bars, but that's for a future tutorial. So these navigation menus makes it easy to create beautiful looking navigations on your website. So let's get started with a very basic one. Let's create a unordered list with the class of nav. And in an li tag with the class of nav item. And we just times that by 2. And then let's add an a tag with the class name of nav link. Here we go. It doesn't really need to link anywhere, but the idea is there. So here we can just say maybe home or page 1. Page 2. And let's create one more just for the heck of it. And then page 3. And this will create a very basic but nice looking navigation option. Currently I don't think they really respond to them because none of them has an anchor. So we just go href and make that hashtag. Then they should look more beautiful. Yeah, there we go. Now we have a pointer and we can click. Not that they do anything, but the idea is there. You can also disable them by just going disabled. And this will give it a disabled styling. You can also then align it by going justify, content, center. And this will justify the content to the center of the page. And of course you can do the same with end, and this will do it to the end of the page. If you wanted to go downwards in a vertical way instead of a horizontal way like this, instead of just doing nav, what you could do is you could say flex column. And this will flex it so it goes downwards instead of from side to side. Now this is nice and all, but currently the styling still lacks quite a lot. So let's make it look a little bit better by going here and saying nav tabs, and let's make this one active. Now we have beautiful navigations, and they are tabs. So depending on which one you make active, it will change which one is here. As you can see now, this one has this little square here. Of course you generally use JavaScript to switch which one is active, but this is just nice to have that styling right out of the box. You of course have your normal navigation button type things, which will just be pills. And now, as you can see, they're basically just buttons. Now back to our previous tabs example here. Whilst I did say we do need JavaScript for this, we could also use Bootstrap for it, because it's Bootstrap. To implement it, all we need to do is we just have to go here to our A tags, data, Bootstrap, BS, toggle, and we will just say this is a tab toggle. And in here we can just give it actual place it has to go to. So this can go to maybe, let's say home, info, purchase, or prices. There we go. And you can just name them accordingly. And it's by default just make home active. Now we can write their content. So we are going to create a div right underneath these, and we can just say tab content, and this will contain another div with the class name of tab pane container active, and with an ID of home. Then we can times this by 3 since we need 3 of these, and then we can just put some lorem here, lorem, and here we can say this is info. And this isn't going to show anything since it will be disabled, so we can just do that. Then we also have info and prices, and we just paste them here. And here with these active, we can just say fade. So this will be the animation they come in and go out with. In this case, fade. Now if we were to go here and we click on info, you'll notice they have a nice fade in as you switch between them. If we were to remove this disabled here at prices, then now we can go to prices as well. And of course this works exactly the same if you were to have pills. So pills, and now as you can see we have pills, and we go like this. It works exactly the same. And that is the basics of Navs. It's an intro to our navigation section of this course. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all again in the next Bootstrap tutorial.